welcome back to my old lights. We're still faffing about with bulbs and going through them. Got this one today. Let's have a look what we got. A 3-pin plug, looks like it's off some kind of a camper. No idea. What have we got in here? Got rubber seals. Got bulbs. Let's reorganise the table. So we've got a bit of room. What have we got here? Oh, I've just rubbed off the actual label from the light. I think it was a General Electric. Coatings on the inside. Yeah, it lights up. It's supposed to be red, but I couldn't even tell you what colour that is. It's a reddy brown. So, over there. Right, there we go. Almost got the writing on it. It's weird how the coating's coming off. Go through, see how it works. Yeah, they're supposed to be red, but they're not red. I mean, just a bit of a comparison. Here's some nice Crompton bulbs that I've got. That's red. That's just whatever. But it works. Oh, you can see where that one's been sitting outside. Got a bit of peel. Looks. Oh, I'll leave that alone. Can't quite see what's written on there. It works, and it's a glorious red colour. That up there. I mean, that's got quite a substantial amount of sun fade to it, but it still lights up red. I'm going to hazard a guess this is another General Electric one. Soon find out. Oh! Oh, I just popped. That made me jump. That's all. This is the channel's first blown bulb. It's not the first broken bulb. We found a broken bulb on the Pygmy Light video, but that's the first one to pop. Didn't make a noise, but it didn't have go. Do that in a slow-mo. Alright, let's go for the blue ones. Covered in cobwebs. General Electric. Yeah, it's blue. It's more purple. On my hand, it looks like it's proper purple, but it lights up blue. You sit there. Possibly. Oh no! What have we got here? Crompton blue. Now that's a nice blue colour. That is actually lighting up blue. Really badly sun faded bulb. Can't see who it's made by. Ooh, that's a... Hello? That's an odd coloured blue, but it lights up blue. And it works. Always a bonus. Right, let's go for the green. Got General Electric now. Yeah, that's a nice lime green. Oh, that is a really nice green. That's a really cool colour. Pull that back up here. Yeah, that's a fabulous green. I think that bulb's about to pop. I think that's lit up a lot more. Oh, there you go. It tripped the electric. Yeah, that bulb's gone. Right. Bear with me. Right, where were we? Last bulb out of this box, by the looks of it. Another General Electric. And there you go, 3 blown bulbs from one batch. Or not, because the lights were still tripped in here. That one's definitely blown. Yeah, it's a pocketed. And then in the box we've got, so we've got a set of Festoon lights, well used, looks like they were put up somewhere, a bit painted on. Still good on the inside. Now I've seen these made by a couple of different companies. The ones I usually see are made by Delta. Delta were actually quite good. If you back in the day, I had a set. I think I bought them. When would I have bought them? Late 90s, early 2000s, and I lost a couple of rubber seals, and I wrote them a letter, because it was back in the day when you wrote letters, asking if they had replacement seals that I could buy, and they sent me 10 free of charge, and just a little thank you for your letter. There you go. Dieter, London. Thought it might have been Delta. Maybe it is Dieter. Maybe I'm misremembering, but a little bit of a rusty plug on them. Might have to give that a check over. And then got a load of dead spiders and some seals for them. A lot of the seals have fallen off. Now, you don't necessarily need the seals all the time because, well, that one's got a spider in it. These bigger bulbs, they do make a seal, but it's ideal to have these on as well. That's if these are even for these lights. Maybe they're not meant to have seals on, but you can always have these ones on. Just as a little extra protection. There you go. It's fully weather sealed now. Oh, that was a good seal. But yeah, there you go. There's another box organised, or in the bulb stash up here. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you on the next one. I know they're a little bit repetitive, rinse and repeat, but again, just thought to film it in case anybody's interested. Catch you on the next one.